Hello, I'm super happy to welcome you to this tutorial on Vox AI. Now, the very first thing you have to do when you get to your dashboard here is to click on Project and click on Create. Then right here you have Project Type, where you'll be able to select if you're working on an audiobook, podcast, voiceover, or others. Then for this tutorial, I'll be picking audiobook. Then you have to input the title. Yes, so you have to ensure you input the title, taking control of the market. You input the author, your name. Then you input the keyword. You write the keyword right here. Then you click on Next. And right here you have various methods for you to generate content using Vox AI for our audiobook, right? You can create from scratch, import Microsoft Word content, import from URL, import PDF content, use AI chatbot, voice recording, and speech to text. All of these are right here for you to generate your content. And now let us start from create from scratch. You click on it, and you'll be taken right here where you'll be able to select from a number of languages that has been packaged for you in this system. You can pick any language of your choice, but for this tutorial we're making use of English, US. Then you have a number of voices to pick from as well. And right here we have Ivy, we have Joanna, we have Joel, a number of them. But before you pick a particular voice, you have to ensure that you preview the voice by clicking on this preview for you to listen to the voice first. Clicking on it, I can hear the voice right now. So you have to do that to be sure that is the particular voice you want to make use of. So now let me pick Joanna. Right. I love the voice. So you scroll down. Now here is the text box. You click on it and you begin to type what you want to use for your audiobook. So you write your content here. You're welcome to your most interesting audiobook, depending on what you want to create, right? So you have to ensure that you adjust the volume to your taste. You may reduce it, and the tempo as well. You can reduce the tempo or you increase the tempo, right? So we also have pause. You click on it, and we have the erase text feature right here, which when you click on it, it's gonna erase all the text we have in this box. Then you have synthesize, which is the feature we're going to use to synthesize this text and convert it to an audiobook, right? So we're gonna do that, and we have preview 50 words, and when you click on it this way, you have it right here and it's playing already, right? So you close it and you come back. Now you have to click on synthesize, and once you do that, your audiobook is ready, right? So these are the details of the audiobook, and right here you can play the audiobook, right? It's playing already, and you can adjust the volume here, right? You can increase it. That is it. Then right here you can view the text, and this allows you to go back to the text again and see if you can copy it for anything, right? Then you go back again, you close, and you have the download button right here. When you click on it, it begins to download automatically, as you can see right here, and you can open it. So you say it's playing already, right? And that is it. You have it downloaded on your computer already. Now let's go back. So right here you have the share button, and this code you can embed it. You can copy this code and embed it in your website, right? And you have the audiobook in any of your website. And this link as well, you can share it to anybody on any platform, as the case may be, right? So, and right here as well, you can view the text again, right? You see it, you can view it, right? And you go back, So that's it. So that is it. And don't forget, you can also delete the audiobook if you don't want anymore, right? So that is it. Now we can use another method, which is to import Microsoft Word content, right? And the software, the system will copy the content and turn it to an audiobook for you, or voiceover, or podcast, as the case may be. So when we click on it, you have this, and you have to ensure that you choose the file that you want the system to copy the content from. Then you click on choose file here. Then once you pick it, you click on open, and then you click on add documents. And then just like we did earlier on, you can as well pick any language that you want to select. You have French, you have German, you have Russian, any language, right? But for this video, we're making use of English. And we move on. Then you pick your voice. Okay, I want these. Then you move on, scroll down, and you already have the content here, right? This is the content that has been copied into the box here, right? And of course, so you can adjust the volume here, then the tempo. You want to increase it. You remember this erase is for you to erase all of the contents. Then you can determine the pause, where it has to pause. You may want the voice to stop here, to pause a little bit here, and click on pause, right? Break time, as you can see here, it pauses a little bit, move on. So now you have to synthesize. So you have it here already. This is our audiobook, right? And you can play it. You say it's playing already. As you can see, don't forget you can reduce the volume right here. That's it, right? So, and of course you can download through here, right? You can view the text here, and here is it, right? And that is it. So now let's go back. You close, and then of course you have to download it to your computer using this. And as you can see, it has downloaded to my computer. Then you open it. So as you can see, it's playing already. It's playing already. Move it forward, and that's it. Then you can pause it. Now let's go back. So that's it. And at the same time, you can share this, right? You can copy this code and embed it in your website as well, right? And of course, you can share this link to anybody and on any platform. This is so beautiful. Come on. You don't want to miss these at all. Now you have the view, right? You can view the content again, and you can decide to delete. The features are there for you to use. Now let us try to make use of another method again, which is to import from URL. So you have to click on it. So you enter your URL here. Then you click on add content. Then you pick the language you want to use. Pick in English. Then right here you pick the voice that you want to make use of. Let me pick Kendra. Right, then you scroll down. Okay, right here the content has been generated, as you can see, right? And if you want to adjust the volume, you do that. Then the tempo as well, you reduce the tempo. Then you make use of your pause. If you want to erase, you have the feature here, and you can preview. You see it's playing already. Reduce the volume if you may. Right, then you close, and right here you have to synthesize the content to convert it to an audiobook. Click on synthesize, and right here automatically you have it created for you, and you can play it. You see it's playing already, right? And you can view the text. Then you close, and you have to download it to your computer. and it's downloaded already to my computer, right? So you can just click here to open it. That's it. It's very simple. So moving on, you can share the code as well. You can embed the code in your website, and you can share this link to anybody, right? You close it, and if you want to view or delete, you have the features here. That's it. So moving on, you have another method, which is to import PDF content. And when you click on this, you have to choose the file, the PDF file from your computer. So once you pick it, you select it, then you click on open, and you click on add PDF. Then right here you have to pick your language, right? I'm using English. Then you pick the voice you want to use. Let me see, Kevin, right? Then you scroll down. Then you have the content here. It has been copied for you already. Then you have to make sure you synthesize. You click on synthesize, and you see it has been created for you already. Here you have it. Now right here you can play it, and you see it's playing already. Come on, I love these. Wow. So it's playing already, and you can view the text. While it's playing, you can view the text and see what it has generated. This is the content contained in the PDF, and you have to go back again, right? Then you close this, and you have to make sure you download it to your computer. Right here is downloaded already to my computer, and you can open it, and you see it's playing on my computer, right? Means it's saved to my computer already. Pause it. Now let's go back, and you can share as well, just like we've been saying. Copy the code and embed it. You can share this link, right? And let's close, just like we've been doing for the rest as well. So that is it. I mean, this is very simple and interesting. This is amazing. Now right here you can make use of the AI chat bots, right? The AI creates the content for you, right? And let's click on it and see. Right here the AI says I can generate content for your audiobooks, podcasts, and voiceovers on any topic. Any topic you bring aboard, the Vox AI is going to generate content for that for you. So all you have to do is to enter your prompts right here, and let's do that right away. So once you write your prompt here, you have to click on this search button, and you see it's generating the content for me already. Wow, this is bravo. So once it generates the content for you, you click on this blue button to copy the text. It's copied already, right? And for you to make use of this particular AI feature, you must ensure that you integrate your API key in settings, right? I'm going to show you that in my next video, right? So now let us go back now to make use of this content. So once you generate your content here, you have to return right here, and of course you select your language, right, and you pick the voice you want to use. Then you scroll down and you paste the text right here, and that's it. So you may decide to tweak it a little bit, right? So once you're done tweaking the content, now you can now synthesize. But before you synthesize, you can adjust the volume, then the tempo, and you click on synthesize. Beautiful. Our audiobook has been created right here, as you can see, and you can click here to play the audiobook. You see it's playing already. You can adjust the volume if you want, right? You can view the text, right? Close it, and you download it to your computer. You see it's downloaded already, and you can open it, and you see it's also playing already. That's beautiful. Come on. Then once you do that, you have to click on this, right? You copy this code and you can embed it in your website. as usual, and you can copy this link as well, right? So you can make use of these view and delete options as well, and that is it. So now moving on, we have the voice recording. And for this voice recording, it depends on the plan you have, right? You can make use of this feature as well, and when you click on it, it will show something like this for you to create recording, right? And once you click on start recording, you begin to record like this. It says speak now, and it's already recording, as you can see, right? And you have to click on stop. Once you do that, it has been recorded, your voice has been recorded, and all you have to do is to click on this to download, right? You click on this button to download, and as you can see, the recording has been downloaded to my computer, and I can still make use of it, right, in another feature. So here you go, you can open it, right? And here is our recording. You pause it, you go back, and that's it. So once you record that, you can now make use of our speech to text feature right here, which also, depending on your plan, right, you may see it, you may have the opportunity to make use of this. This is very, very beautiful. I mean, it converts your speech, your voice, your audio, and all of that to text. It transcribes your audio into text and converts it to audiobook, voiceover, or podcast, as the case may be. Now let us click on it, and right here you have to choose your audio file, right? Click on this. Once you do that, you have to click on add audio, and right here you have to pick the language, just like we have been doing, right? And you scroll down a bit to pick your voice. Just look for that beautiful voice you want to make use of. We have a number of them. Oh, I love this voice, Kimberly. I'm making use of it. And you scroll down, and of course the content has been copied for you, and it's right here in the box. And once you have the content in text, you can just, copy it and make use of it for any other purpose, right? Any audio content, you can just convert it to text this way, and you make use of it for any other purpose. And you can adjust the volume, the tempo, then you can synthesize. And right here, our audiobook has been created for us. Now we have to play it again. You say it's playing already. This is beautiful. I mean, this is amazing. This is amazing. You don't have to go through any stress to create your audiobook, your podcast, or your voiceover, right? So you can view the text as well. You can close it. Then right here, you have to download it to your computer, and it's been downloaded already. So right here, you can open it. Here you go. It's playing already. That's it. I mean, this is so beautiful. You can share as well, just like we've been saying, right? I mean, this is very straightforward. You can just make use of any of the methods that we have here, which is very, very beautiful and unusual. This is amazing. You find it unique. And after creating your audiobook, podcast, or voiceover, now it is time for you to market your product. Now, how do you do that? You come right here to the marketplace. And don't worry, in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to place your product in marketplace. Thank you, and see you in the next video.